Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should be able to see the EGR valve and its inlet conduit. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown. Loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, insert it into the hollow space under the connector. Create pressure by turning the screwdriver upwards and pushing down simultaneously, while with your other hand, pull on the connector to remove it. The EGR valve is held by 3 screws. One of them is located behind the valve and is a little bit tricky to get to. Undo the 3 screws using an 8mm socket wrench and finish unscrewing by hand. The valve can sometimes be stiff to remove. You should be able to loosen it free by making lateral back and forth motions.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
When you're changing the EGR valve, we recommend removing the inlet conduit so that you can clean it. This will lengthen the life of your new valve. To do this, you must remove the black frame of the engine cover that is held on by 2 screws at its base, using an 8mm spanner. Remove the conduit by combining a pull force with a lateral back and forward motion. Careful, if it's clogged up, the conduit may be rather hard to release. To clean the conduit, we recommend watching the video Cleaning the EGR Valve in your Megane 2 1.5 dCi. Take hold of your new EGR valve and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're both identical. We also recommend writing down all the codes written on the new valve in case you have to reprogram it, but it is normally not needed. Put the EGR valve back in place, ensuring that the seal is present. Once again, tighten the 3 screws by hand to begin with, and then finish the process off with a wrench. Reconnect the power. Reassemble the inlet conduit. Simultaneously, insert it fully into the 2 housings, then screw by hand the black frame of the engine cover. Finish screwing in the black frame with a wrench. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.